Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen with produce from my ordinary grocery store. And today we've got a special Italian treat. We're going to cook carbonara. I don't even know what it tastes like. I just like saying carbonara. What a cool term. This is a great Italian dish and we're going to give this one a try. But of course, along with me is my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. All right, Sherman, good catch, buddy. Good catch. And of course, everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over and pick it up. First thing we're going to do, wash our hands. And what a great week we've had. It's so good to be back home in good old Fruitland, Missouri. Been out traveling, doing the deal, and it's so good to come home and cook. My grill wife, Jenny, has prepared the ingredients for this recipe. She's my prep cook, and she's awesome. And so the first thing we're going to do is get some pancetta. Oh, I love that term. Pancetta is just a, I don't know, kind of a finely thin chopped bacon, kind of in the prosciutto kind of family. So I've already got my pasta water heating, and I've put a generous amount of kosher salt. I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of olive oil and heat that. And then I'm going to brown my pancetta. This is, I don't know, just a package of pancetta. I'm not exactly sure how much was in it. I'll have to double check with my prep cook and grill wife, Jenny. And just about 2 minutes on this stuff, because everything we're going to do for this recipe is going to be right here in this skillet. And carbonara is really a, it's an egg yolk and a hard cheese and a pasta, all kind of rolled together. So while my pancetta is browning, I'm going to go ahead and get my pasta. Get it going about 8 minutes. Again, we like angel hair spaghetti. Excuse me, Sherman. And I always like to break my pasta in half. It's like about 1.5 pounds is what we're going to use here. So after my pancetta is browned about 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper. And I'm going to pour that right into the skillet. And then 5 to 6 cloves of fresh chopped garlic. And I'm telling you folks, this garlic is strong. I'm going to go ahead and get that in there. And then after I've added the garlic and the red pepper, I'm going to do a 1/2 cup, and I'm going to use non-alcoholic white wine, but you can use alcoholic white wine, you can use chicken broth, a lot of different variations, but we like a little white wine, just don't necessarily like the alcohol. I'm going to pour that in there too, and keep stirring. So now to really get the carbonara, it's a couple of egg yolks. We're just going to try to get the yolk and not all the white. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a 1/2 cup of the water from the pasta, the salted water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this in here, and this will keep my eggs doing its thing, and just sort of beat that all together. So I don't want these eggs to necessarily cook. And see, that just tempers these eggs, putting that pasta water in there. The pasta is cooked, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drain the pasta, but I'm not going to rinse the pasta. Very important. And I'm going to use a pot holder when I drain my pasta, because the pot is hot. Chef School 101. Drained pasta that I'm going to put in my skillet and stir with not a metal spatula. Grill wife was on me because I'm scratching her skillets. Ooh, buddy. Buddy, 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 buddy. So we're going to put that pasta in there like that, maybe toss it a time or two, and then add our egg mixture. But what we don't want to do is cook the eggs. So we're going to, again, just take our egg mixture and pour that on top without cooking those eggs. So we're going to keep those things temperate. We're going to toss her a few times there. Just like Mama used to cook. And then I'm going to add a generous amount of Romano cheese. And we like cheese around here, don't we, Grill Dog? I'm going to use it all. Because I can. And a lot of pepper. Lots of pepper. We love the fresh ground pepper. We love the pepper. Go ahead and add a little salt to taste. And then I'm going to go ahead and stir in that cheese. Continue to toss. I'm going to scoop up a little of this pasta carbonara. There it is, pasta carbonara with a 1/4 pound of pancetta. We're going to dig into this. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so good. That is so good. I don't know why I eat in the world's finest restaurants. I live in the world's finest restaurant. And my grill wife, she's the secret behind all this. Oh my God. Folks, you've got to try this. Pasta carbonara, a little pancetta, olive oil, some garlic. This is so good. Kelbob.